Come on, Nelson, you don't mind it. Nelson, let's do it.
No, come.
Come on, we gotta do it. We're putting stuff away. Yes, come. There's all this coming. That's the Wendy. Hello, Wendy. Let's get it. Melanie, you're on video. I said you're on video. What a lovely little showroom. There's no Jag Dish here, though. You should meet Dish at Jags. He's a lovable guy. All right, what are we doing over here? What?
She's good or no on this phone.
Oh, didn't break, right?
Ready?
No?
Put on the floor, please. Slowly. It's not breaking, but this off.
There's no grip here. Jesus, I'm trying to grab this thing and put it on the wall.
Okay, put it, please. Good.
It's not going in.
Push the wall. Yeah, push good.
Got it, Nelson. Don't you worry about it, buddy. This toilet's going to be on that wall. No, Nelson's got it under control. That's what Nelson does. Stuff. All right. Done. Whoa. Come on, Nelson. Let's get it done.
Good job. That's right.
Why do you gotta keep talking about it?
Push good like that. Push good.
I'm pushing, goddammit. That's what I do. Come on, Nelson. You got it, buddy. He's screwing this toilet in like nobody's business.
Push good.
I'm pushing, I said.
Don't talk. Let me see how it is.
Jesus. It's all good. There. Okay, enough with the toilet already.
Okay. Let me see. Sit.
Let me take a break.
Sit.
Take it over.
Don't worry. Sit. No.
Oh, that's a little too much weight there. Anyway, Nelson, thank you. That was one hell of a journey. Whoa. Alrighty. See you later, Nelson. Oh, the biggest of bees. This is the man. He's leaving soon. We are all going to miss him very much. Brian
Don't let
Phillips.
that leak out there.
What? You're going to be.
Yeah.
We all know. Time will tell.
Time will tell.
Hi, buddy.
Get off your dad fast.
She's on the telephone.
He's not here. No.
All right. This is not a picture. This is a late YouTube video. All right.
No, not me.
You were just there for a second on it. No, I'm facing me now. Okay. That's where the camera's going. See? You can see me through that. Customers. Shall we say hi? Oh, she is there. She is there. Oh. She's busy. All right, then. We'll scratch that idea. Oh. And that would be the end of the video. YouTube. Thanks for joining me. Now I'm out. Say bye, Wendy.